Having a drop-down menu on your Squarespace website can make navigation super easy. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. Let's go. The very first thing you want to do is make sure that you've navigated to the left-hand side under website to pages. Now, once you're in pages, you're going to manage all of your pages. Okay, so let's go up to where it says main navigation. There's a plus icon there, and we're going to go ahead and click on the plus icon. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see a drop down option. Once you've selected this drop down option, you can see over here, it is now saying that the drop down section is empty, but we can add a new title. Now, this would be the title such as products, and you can now add a page. So let's say we would like to add a page over here. Let us use a blank page, and here we're going to say product 1, and additionally you can add more pages. However, if you want to add pages into this drop-down menu that already exist on your website, all you simply have to do is look for that page. Let's say, for example, it's this one here. Click down and drag it to the appropriate space. You'll see now that there it is, and you've now dragged it to underneath this products drop-down menu. If you go over to the actual layout of your web page, you can actually see the changes being made in real time.